What is up, guys? Today we will talk about how you guys can swap Arbitrum to Ethereum on Metamask. Well, the process for that is pretty simple. For that, we will open up our Metamask wallet. Now, this is how the Metamask wallet will look like. Here, what you have to do is you just have to go to the swap section. This is how the home page will look like. Here, you just have to click on this swap section. Now, clicking on the swap section will open up these. Now here you just have to select the cryptocurrency you want to exchange. In this case, we have Arbitrum, so I'm just going to select Arbitrum, and then we want to exchange it with Ethereum. So I'm just going to select Ethereum as well. Now afterwards, you just have to click on this zero and then enter the amount you want to exchange. Suppose you want to exchange 200 Arbitrum to the Ethereum. I accidentally closed it. Let me just open it once again. As you can see, it will just open up right directly where I left. So I'm just going to do that once again. So we will select Arbitrum and then we will select Ethereum. Now I'm just going to type in 200 and it will just, start finding the quota for me. Now, if I search for that, it will obviously take some time. As you can see, it is just fetching the quotas that how much money that you have to pay or how much, you'll get for the Ethereum. You just have to select the right one according to you and then click on swap. Currently, in my case, as you guys can see, I currently do not have any Arbitrum, so it is just telling me that you do not have any Arbitrum to complete this swap. If I had that, I will easily be able to do that by clicking on this swap. So that's pretty much it. That's how I'll be able to do it. Hope you guys find this video helpful.